Hello everyone and welcome back to YouTube channel Ashi Talks. So in this video we are going to talk about TCS IRC Infrastructure Readiness Check. As you all know, yesterday you have IRC exam and many of the candidates have so many doubts. So in this video I am going to clear all your doubts that you have put in the comment section. So I will clear all that doubt, and if you have any other doubt you can write us in comment section, so I will make one more video and I will reply to you and clear all your doubts. Okay, so in this video we are going to talk about Windows 11 and MacBook device supported or not supported, and second point is many candidates having the doubt that if they give IRC in one laptop and final exam in other laptop, is it possible or not, and the last point is missed TCS IRC exam. So this is the main point. Many of the candidates were asking if they have missed TCS IRC exam, can they give the final exam or not, are they eligible for the final exam or not. Okay, so we will cover these points in this video. And one more thing we will going to discuss in this video about like IRC, how much IRC is important, IRC like if they have marked any wrong question, will it impact in their final exam or not. So we will talk about everything in this video in details. Okay, so as you can see on our screen, previously yesterday only I have made a video like TCS infrastructure readiness check, TCS IRC live demo. So in that particular video I have told you how to start TCS IRC exam. I have told step by step process and I have shown you demo video. I have added screen recording there. In that I have told you like how to start exam step by step. So you can watch this video if you want to see how to start the TCS exam. Okay. So and some basic questions are also covered in this video, but I will cover other doubts in this video. Okay. I have only one request for all of you candidates. If you are appearing for TCS exam, please join our Telegram channel and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because every update, each and every update I will be sharing to you on our YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts you can ask us in comment section and on our Telegram channel also. Okay, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so here you can see on the screen, first of all our doubt regarding the IRC exam was Windows 11 and MacBook device supported or not. So let me clear to all of you guys, MacBook device are not supported. Many of the candidates having MacBook are trying to start the exam, but MacBook is not supported. For that you have Window or Ubuntu system. Okay, so I will show you the criteria, some basic requirement. Okay, so here you can see system specific requirement. Okay, I hope it is visible to you on your screen. Okay, wait, let me zoom it. Okay, so the system for which you will be taking the exam must follow. Okay, so must follow these rules. A working webcam, as I've told you, you must have a working webcam. Your laptop and PC, your device must have a working webcam. You can use external webcam also. And the next point is launcher for the respective operating system that you can download during IRC. Okay, so you will be provided with a launcher, so you can download that launcher during IRC only. And the recommended browser is Google Chrome browser, and the browser zoom should be set to 100%. So here you can see you should use Google Chrome updated browser. If you have outdated Google Chrome browser, you can update it. Okay, and the browser zoom set to 100%. So how you can set this? Simply here you can see open your Google Chrome and there is a three dot. Simply click on that and here you can see zoom. The zoom you have to set zoom to the 100%. Okay, this is the 100% zoom you have to set. Okay, and the next thing is minimum internet bandwidth of 5 Mbps. So your internet speed must be strong and the bandwidth of 5 Mbps should be there. You can use mobile hotspot also, but you should make sure that the mobile internet speed is strong, so you can your exam will be uninterrupted. Okay, you should be following a smooth exam experience. Okay, and you can see at least 100 MB of free disk space to download a 45 MB file, which is required to launch the assessment. So 100 MB of free space should be there in your laptop and in your PC. Okay, 45 MB file will be downloaded to your system. And now what are the steps to complete? For the steps, you can watch our previous video. In that video I have told you step by step how to install and give the exam. Okay, so here you can see launcher application is same for Windows 7 or Windows 10, and there is a different launcher for Ubuntu 14 and Ubuntu system. So you can use Windows 7, Windows 10 and Windows 11 and Ubuntu 14 and Ubuntu 16. Okay, so here you can see we are confident that you will participate in the important check to make you ready for taking the exam from home. This IRC test will ensure that you have smooth exam experience on the exam day. ओके, सो यहाँ पे आपको एक चीज क्लियरली मेंशन की गई है, आईआरसी आप सभी के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट इसीलिए है क्योंकि आप एग्जाम जो है घर से दे रहे हो, यू आर गिविंग एग्जाम फ्रॉम द होम, सो द आईआरसी टेस्ट विल इंश्योर दैट यू शुड हैव अ स्मूथ एग्जाम एक्सपीरियंस ऑन द एग्जाम डे। तो जब भी आपका फाइनल एग्जाम होता है उस समय आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम फेस नहीं करनी पड़नी चाहिए। अगर आपके सिस्टम में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, इंटरनेट स्पीड की हो, वेबकैम की हो, माइक्रोफोन की हो, या सिस्टम में कोई इश्यू हो, तो वो आपको आईआरसी के ड्यूरिंग पता चल जाएगा, जिससे आपको पहले ही पता चल जाएगा, तो आप लैपटॉप या जो भी जो चेंजेस करने वो आप कर सकते हो। एंड फाइनल जो है, फाइनल एग्जाम के टाइम पे आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम फेस ना करना पड़े, इसीलिए आईआरसी का एग्जाम कंडक्ट होता है। ओके, सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट वी हैव कवर्ड इन दिस। Now the second point is IRC in one laptop, final exam in other laptop. So many of the candidates were saying, is it possible कि अगर वो IRC का फर्स्ट IRC एग्जाम जो है वो एक लैपटॉप में देते हैं एंड फाइनल एग्जाम जो है वो दूसरे लैपटॉप में देंगे, सो इज इट पॉसिबल और नॉट? ओके, सो लेट मी टेल यू गाइस। ओके, सो why IRC exam is conducted? IRC exam is conducted because they want you to check your system requirement. Okay, अगर आप एक लैपटॉप में एग्जाम दे रहे हो तो उसमें उस पर्टिकुलर लैपटॉप की, उस पर्टिकुलर डिवाइस की जो है सिस्टम रिक्वायरमेंट एंड कंपैटिबिलिटी चेक होती है। इसका मतलब अगर आपका आईआरसी एग्जाम अच्छा चल गया, इसका मतलब उस लैपटॉप में, उस डिवाइस में आपका फाइनल एग्जाम भी अच्छा चलेगा। बट इफ यू आर यूजिंग डिफरेंट लैपटॉप ड्यूरिंग फाइनल एग्जाम में, the laptop you are using in the final exam, it may have any problem and your final exam will not be run successfully, so it will be problem for you. That's why IRC check is conducted. Yes, you can give, it is up to you. If you have surety, if you are confident that your both of your devices are working good, in a good condition, so definitely you can give. It is not a mandatory like आप चाहे तो आप IRC एक लैपटॉप में फाइनल एग्जाम दूसरे लैपटॉप में दे सकते हो, लेकिन पॉइंट यही है आईआरसी का कि आपके लैपटॉप प्रॉपरली वर्क कर रहा है या नहीं, एग्जाम के टाइम कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं हो रही है आपको आपके डिवाइस में, ये चेक करने के लिए आईआरसी एग्जाम होता है। सो आई विल रिकमेंड यू, इट इज बेटर इफ यू गिव बोथ द एग्जाम, आईआरसी एंड द फाइनल एग्जाम, इन द सेम लैपटॉप। ओके, ओके, इफ यू डोंट हैव एनी अदर ऑप्शन यू कैन ट्राई दिस ऑप्शन ऑल्सो, बट इफ यू हैव लाइक आपके पास अगर एक सिंगल लैपटॉप है तो मैं यही रिकमेंड करूंगा कि आपको एक ही लैपटॉप से एग्जाम जो है वो देनी चाहिए, आईआरसी की भी एंड फाइनल एग्जाम की भी। ओके, सो दिस इज माय ओपिनियन ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक, नॉट ओपिनियन, दिस इज पर्टिकुलरली फैक्ट्स आई एम स्पीकिंग। ओके, एंड द लास्ट पॉइंट इज मिस टीसीएस आईआरसी एग्जाम। बिफोर गोइंग टू दिस वीडियो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू लाइक दिस वीडियो, join our telegram channel and subscribe to our youtube channel so that you get each and every update regarding TCS and every other MNCs. Okay, so miss TCS IRC exam. So what if you miss TCS IRC exam? So due to many circumstances and many problem, many candidates might have missed TCS IRC exam. Okay, so if you have missed TCS IRC exam, you don't have to worry, you can give final exam. So many candidates were saying TCS IRC exam miss हो गई है तो मैं फाइनल एग्जाम नहीं दे पाऊंगा। ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, आपके जो भी TCS आपका जो फाइनल एग्जाम है वो आप डेफिनेटली दे पाओगे। ओके, आईआरसी एग्जाम से सिर्फ सिस्टम कंपैटिबिलिटी जो है वो चेक होती है। Okay, so here you can see on the screen I have received many comments in the previous video and I have replied to each and every comment in this video. Okay, so if you have any other doubt you can let us know in the comment section below and I will clear all your doubts. Okay, okay, so if you have missed TCS IRC exam, no need to worry, you can give final exam, but please check if your system is compatible or not for the exam. Okay, so here you can see on the screen, here is an screenshot of a screenshot when I have given TCS IRC exam. जब मैंने TCS का एग्जाम दिया था IRC का, तब मुझे मेल रिसीव हुआ था। At that time I have received this mail, you have completed the mock and passed the infrastructure readiness check successfully, now you are all set to good to take the TCS NQT exam in online mode. Okay, so you can see that like they have told that you have successfully completed IRC exam, now I am ready to give the final exam. Okay, and here you can see, please make sure you are using the same infra setup, desktop, laptop, browser, camera to take the actual exam. So I have given exam in 21st of May, like 2021 May. Okay, so that is the date is given and they are saying that you have to use the same laptop and same device and microphone and everything. Okay, so this is the thing they are telling, so it is better if you give exam in the same device. Okay, this IRC check is only to ensure your system compatibility for taking the exam at home and not to practice test for the actual exam. So ये जो IRC टेस्ट है सिर्फ इसीलिए कंडक्ट की जा रही है जिससे आप अपनी सिस्टम कंपैटिबिलिटी चेक कर सकते हो कि आपका सिस्टम प्रॉपर्ली कंपैटिबल है या नहीं, घर पे एग्जाम देने के लिए। एंड ये कोई प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट नहीं है, एक्चुअल एग्जाम का जो क्वेश्चन पेपर है एंड पैटर्न है वो थोड़ा डिफरेंट रहने वाला है। तो यही बेसिक चीजें थी जो कि आज की इस वीडियो में मुझे आपको बतानी थी। आई होप all your doubts have been covered in this video and all your doubts have are cleared. If you have any other doubt, you can let me know in the comment section below, and I will clear all your doubts in the other video or on comment section. Okay, so if you like this video and find this video informative, please like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you.